Hello all. In the last video we had seen how to create a basic task and execute it. There are other ways to create a task. Let's see it in this video. First one is using a task attribute. Using the task decorator to declare a task is a convenience and usually the best way to do it. However, it is also possible to define the tasks of a user by setting the task attribute. Task attribute is either a list of tasks or dictionary. We will focus on list alone in this video. Let's create it. So here I have created the methods outside of the user class and I have removed the task decorator also. Now we will be using the attribute called tasks. And this task, as I told you, this task supports a dictionary as well as a list. Now we will insert as a list. In the list we can just give the name of the methods. Now this task attributes identify these methods as a task for the user class. Let's run it. Okay, this is working. Now let's stop it and see the next slide. Next one is using the Taskset class. I would recommend this way of defining the tasks. This way provides a lot of flexibility and abstraction. You will see it in the future. Now let's import a Taskset class. Now I am creating a class. You can give any name. I am just giving a name called behavior, and this class should inherit Taskset. Inside the Taskset the same. We can use this method, but here we have to use the task decorator. Now in the user class, instead of providing the task name, we can give the task set name. Here the task set class name is behavior. I can give the name of the task set class behavior. Now let's run it. Okay, it started. I started the test. Now yeah, this is also working. So going forward, I'll be following this way of creating the task by using the task set class. We'll see in the other video. Thank you.